Good morning all of you. In last lecture of atomic structure, I already discussed about what is the matter. Who told about the matter? Dalton, John Dalton, and already told about the element, compound, symbols and chemical formula. So some chemical formula we again discussed, that is a copper sulfide, CuS. ZnO, that is a zinc, symbol of zinc is Zn, oxide, zinc oxide. Lead oxide, that is a lead sulfide, lead plus sulfur. For the sulfur, you always add in the case of anion, you put ide. For the water, that is H2O, carbon dioxide CO2, common salt NaCl, magnesium oxide MgO. Actually, the common salt and water is their common name, but their chemical name is sodium chloride. Water is a hydrogen oxide. Here you see there, here 2 is there, but it means not you have to put here the dihydrogen oxide. In case of hydrogen, we not count this during name. Yes. So who give this chemical name? That was the symbol. That is one sanstha is there. That is one part of the sciences. That is IUPAC. IUPAC nomenclature, which gave names to the symbols of the element of the periodic table. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Internationally, these symbols are accepted everywhere. This is the one union, sanstha is there, which decide this name. Purely tell their name, that is applied everywhere. Standard. You know, standard is that which applicable everywhere. These are the symbols. These are the common name. For example, one child is there. Their one schoolish name is also in school, their name is different, and at home is a nickname is there. Chunnu, Munnu, Pappu, like this. Yes. These are the chemical formulas. Now next I will tell about the Dalton atomic theory. Dalton atomic theory. To understand the structure of the atomic structure, Dalton atomic theory is very important. Yes. Dalton atomic theory. I already told Johns Dalton, already told. Yes, Johns Dalton. Explain this theory. First point. Matter is made up of small tiny particle. Small tiny particle is called atom. Yes, matter is made up of small tiny particle. That Dalton gives their special name, that is called atom. And the second, atom not further divided. And third point, atom neither be created nor be destroyed. Atom neither be created nor be destroyed. These 2 points is same only, same meaning is there. We atom से छोटा कोई particle नहीं होता. Atom not further divided. For example, when you have the metal, for example, you have the duster, you break into the powder. So lastly, their atom is formed. If you break more, then again atom form. Atom से छोटा कोई particle नहीं होता. Atom neither be created, ना तो उसको create कर सकते हैं, ना divide कर सकते हैं. Yes. Now fourth point. Mainly 7 point is there, but actually it was a 5 point is very important. In fourth point, I already told about the 2 laws: law of conservation of mass, and one is a law of constant proportion. When the 2 element combine, so combine in fixed proportion by mass. Fixed proportion by mass. For example, water always combine in the ratio 1:8. One more point is in the Dalton atomic theory. When 2 elements combine, they always do so more than 1 ratio. For example, hydrogen peroxide also 1:16. More oxide, nitrogen have 4 or 5 oxides are there. N2O4, N2O3, N2O5, NO2, that is a laughing gas. One is a NO. So everywhere the ratio is different. But NO2 in the world, everywhere ratio is the same. But mainly now come on the fourth point, that is atoms of same element have identical size, mass and other properties. Let's come on the fifth point that I will tell afterward. That is now fifth point. Atoms of different element have different size, mass and other properties. See these 2 points. What is the meaning of these points? Atom of same element. For example, you take one element oxygen, O2, O2, O2. So here both oxygen, atoms of the molecule, atoms or molecules of the same element. For example, copper, Cu, 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 Cu. So atoms of the same element have same mass, same size, same properties. Very easy. See there. And next, atoms of different element. For example, one is a copper and one is a iron one. So atoms of the different element have the same, different mass, different everything. Very easy. So this is the Dalton atomic theory. Now next is the drawback of Dalton atomic theory. Yes, drawback of Dalton atomic theory. Drawback means limitations. Afterwards we discuss about the structure of atom. Atom कैसा बना हुआ है? हाँ जी. A lot of models will come. Dalton atomic theory. Afterwards the Rutherford, Bohr model, which explain the structure of atom. Drawback of Dalton atomic theory. The first point is a discovery of electron, proton and neutron. Discovery of electron, proton and neutron. You know, in Dalton saying that the atom not further divided, but actually atom divided into 3 subatomic particles. Atom से भी छोटा part, that is a subatomic particle. Their child. Yes, atom subatomic particles. Electron, proton and neutron. When these particles discover, it means atom also further divided. It means their first postulate is wrong. Yes, second drawback. This is the first drawback. Second is isotope. Iso word means same. The elements, and top mean number, atomic number. Topper, we have to write like this. Topper. The element have same atomic number, but different mass number. The elements which have same atomic number but different mass number is called isotope. You know isotope? Yes. One example I will told: 1H1, 1H2 and 1H3. Keep in mind, this is the symbol, this is the atomic number and this is the atomic mass. See, here atomic number same. Hydrogen have the 3 brothers, but they have the different atomic mass. When the discovery of isotope is there, then you see fourth point of the Dalton atomic theory. He told that the atoms of the same element have same atomic structure, everything, but here the mass is different. Atoms of the same element have same mass, but here the mass is different. This is also drawback. Yes, this is the protonium, deuterium, and that is the tritium. These are the one more example, chlorine 1735 and 1737. The discovery of isotope is this is also drawback for the Dalton atomic theory. According to Dalton, the mass should be same, but here the mass same atoms of the same element have the same mass, but here the mass is different. And the next property is isobar. Yes, iso. The word iso come from that is same always. Bar mean that is the bhar, matlab bhari after weight. Weight, that is the weight. Actually meaning bar mean not the like this. You have to revise like this only. Yes, isobar. But isobar always mean same. Yes, weight. Element which have a same mass number but different atomic number. Any example? Argon 40, calcium 40. That their atomic number is 18 and their atomic number is 20. See there that element. That time you will think that why the argon mass and calcium same. Actually, this is the isobar. Atomic number 18, atomic number 20, but their mass is the same. Means what? Yes, according to the Dalton atomic theory, fifth point. Atoms of different element have a different shape, different mass, everything. But here mass come same. This is the isobar. According to Dalton, mass should be different, but here mass come. This is also drawback. So this is the student, this is the Dalton atomic theory. Dalton told about the how chemical reaction happen. Matter is made up of small tiny particle atom. And next the model is a Rutherford, which explain about the electron, proton, neutron. And this we do afterwards. Bohr model also. Now we do studies about the structure of atom in the next lecture. Structure of atom. Structure of